Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by building one master database that will act as the single source of truth. Design every property you need for syncing before you connect any other databases. Name properties explicitly and use consistent property types like text, select, date, and number. Keep the master database on a shared workspace page with controlled access. Limit owners to avoid accidental structural changes. Treat the master as authoritative and only update fields there to prevent conflicts and duplicate entries. In each secondary database, add a relation property that links to the master database. Link each record to exactly one master entry to maintain one-to-one mapping and avoid duplicates. Add roll-up properties to pull specific fields like status, due date, and priority from the master. Configure roll-ups to return the exact property format, such as date or select. Use a formula property to prefer master values when conflicts exist, and to show a mirrored field for easy editing and display. For two-way or external automation, use the Notion API or a trusted integration like Zapier or Make to push changes back to the master. Build automations that update only permitted fields and respect relation ID to preserve one-to-one mapping. Restrict editing rights on the master to a small team and run audits every 30 days to detect drift. Back up your master database periodically and test automations in a sandbox before enabling production sync to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.